Alright guys, so this is the the limited edition part 2 of Attack on Titan. As you can see, I got it from Funimation. It was $49.99. I got it when they had the 20-year anniversary sale, so I saved a couple bucks, like $40-50. Now let's get this thing open. Watch out, I don't want to rip anything. There we go. It's beautiful. There you go. Now you got your big book, your DVD holder. And we got this. Face of Humanity's Extinction. Basically the story of Eren. Just like the first part. Nothing else. Let's get into the DVD part. Bear with me, I only have one hand. Oh, looks like it was opened for some reason. Here's your DVDs, and here's your Blu-ray. For some reason, the Blu-rays are always falling off for some reason. Hopefully it's not scratched. Whatever. Here's Levi, Balmaria, Chibi Eren, and then I believe that's the voice actor of Eren. And the Chibi comics. And pretty much it. Biology of the Titans. Eren, there's a cool artwork right there. Versus the female Titan. And we got Erwin and Hanji. And that's a spoiler. And that's pretty much it. We got three main characters, Eren, Armin, and Mikasa. And cool artwork. And we also got this. It's like a holographic type of 3D-ish card. Pretty cool. I have my first part. And here's the filler box where you're supposed to put part 1, which I have, and I'll be right back. Here it is, part 1. Same thing, 3D-ish card. Here's part 1. Now I have part 2. So now they can go in the box. And there you go. There you go, guys. That was a quick unboxing of Attack on Titan Part 2. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, favorite, and subscribe if you want. Shadow out.